Second floor, and this is like a seating area. And yeah, they didn't open that, so we can't sit there. So from here we can see like down. So I can't do a complete college tour right now because it's not done. The works are not done. I'll be doing it when the works are all done. So that is a beautiful fountain, like a photo area. I think this will be filled with water. Not sure. Oh, I don't think so. That's because there's a dustbin there. Yes. The campus is yet to be done, so I'm not fully sure if I'm satisfied with it, because till now it's fine, because I can like smell the dust and I'm not okay with dust. I have dust allergy, but then it's fine. It looks all nice, but they have to do a lot of cleaning. They have to do a lot of work. And yeah, I'll be coming with a complete college tour when it's done. So I can't do it right now. I mean, I do like this campus a lot because it looks so new and nice. This is much better than last year, you know. We didn't have like this much setups. Like actually, see, I can literally, I'm like outside the college right now. It's okay, guys. Don't do things like that. Anyways, the interior and all is so good. I like it so much. We go see cafeteria. It's there. Yeah, let's go see cafeteria. Washroom. Let's go see washroom. Guys, staff, ladies, gents and staffs. Let's go see gents washroom. Let's go see gents washroom.
There's a guy doing the same work.
No, I think I can come because it's not done. Guys, I went inside I'm inside the gents washroom. So I don't think I can do this when I come here. So I'll just see. Now let's go see the canteen. Canteen, oh my god. I'm happy too. Wow. Guys, this is our canteen. This is so nice. Like, wow. This is a nice place. This is a canteen, but this is kind of small for all of us, no? That's small.
I think it is small, but it's nice.
Yeah, it is small, but it's nice. Let's go out now. So much work is there to be done, guys. See? Something is happening here too. Yeah. As you can see outside there. So that is like the front side of the college there. And that is the back side of the college. So this is like the block C right now. We are in block C. This place, I don't know, it's so good. We could just sit here and we could enjoy the wind. It's raining and all, so nice. Right? Like wow, if it's raining and all, it's gonna be so nice. You can see the other school from here. I don't know where I am. MBA. See, the staff rooms are all done.
Also, we'll be here with MBA.
Yep, we'll be here with MBA. Yeah, guys, there's a go-karting there, and that is not our ground. That is like the other college ground. Show the ground also. This is not ours. That is like other schools. We go see the classrooms and all now. It's pretty nice, but then there's a lot of construction yet to be done. Yeah, that's all classrooms. Wow, guys, such a big class. It's actually same. Yeah, it's the same. This is like the view outside, full sand.
Oh, but then it will go to the light.
Yeah.
Like it won't be so bright.
Yeah. Yeah. This is how the classroom is. Same as the last campus. Computer lab and all is there. I've never went in our main campus itself. So this is how the computer lab is. I think they'll block this area because right now there's nothing here. We can just go out. Yeah. Pretty big. Oh my god, it's like that side also we have computer lab. So like everywhere we have computer lab.
Good morning, guys. It's Dhanushri THM. We'll be taking some class. Let's go.
Oh my god, no way. No way, guys. Danya will go sit now. I need a break. Sit and try. Sit and try. Wow, guys. You want to bunk class? No. Sit here. But then they will know it will be filled with people every day. So sit and enjoy. We might be the first ones to sit in this thing.
We are enjoying right now. Because
Yeah.
we not get to sit here again.
Yeah. So
What?
we'll enjoy. Get the light and all. So maybe at night and all it'll look so good. We can go up because it's not done. So we're going down. And down also it's not done. But then there's no workers here. So we're going back down. We will be the first people to actually just go everywhere and see. I'm not sure though. Maybe we are the first. No, we are not the first people, but I might be the first person to vlog about the first experience.
I feel like we are the one who built it and we are here to check how everything is going. Yeah, we are the contractor. Everything is going well. Just as we planned. This floor is almost done. Just as we planned.
Only the first floor is done completely. For other full floors, it's full construction is still happening. So I'll just show you the outside and we'll go home. This is it, guys. Have a lot of construction yet to be done. I don't know why they're like in such a big hurry to make us come here because it's still not done. I would have liked a completed college, but then it's okay. I think we'll study with this noise.
We won't study, otherwise also we don't study. No noise means I can't study, I can't concentrate.
Yes, if you can.
Otherwise,
Hold. So guys, until next time, bye, take care. Bye bye. We'll see you on the first day of college. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see you on the first day of college. Come and meet us. We are good seniors, best buddies. Bye bye.